Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prioritizing separation and image quality. You imported a RAW file and selected a subject with clear distance from the background. Once in Develop, make initial exposure, white balance, and lens correction adjustments so bokeh processing uses accurate detail. Do not compress or crop yet. Next, use the brush or mask tool to isolate the subject and create a precise selection. This ensures your bokeh effect only alters the background. Keep edges refined and use range masking to protect hair and fine details. Once the background is masked, you push optical cues. Lower clarity and texture to soften mid-frequency detail and reduce perceived sharpness. Negative dehaze helps larger, smooth transitions. Make sure you do small sharpness reductions so foreground edges stay crisp. Then add graduated or radial masks to simulate depth falloff. Move those masks outward from the subject and feather them heavily so the transition reads naturally. Adjust mask opacity and blend until the blur magnitude matches how the lens would behave at your chosen. To finish, you refine edges and add convincing bokeh highlights. Identify specular highlights in the background with small circular masks. Raise exposure or whites slightly and reduce texture to make them bloom. Use post-crop vignetting subtly to guide the eye and add a touch of grain to unify the texture. Once done, inspect at 100% for halos or edge artifacts. If you see issues, reduce mask feather or strength. Rerun range mask for color/luminance accuracy, then export at high quality for final output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.